How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. If you're like most people, your Google Photos library has probably grown a lot over the years. But with all those photos, you might have noticed something duplicates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete duplicate photos in Google Photos so you can streamline your library and free up some space. First up, open the Google Photos app on your phone or go to the photos.google.com on your computer. Google Photos doesn't have a built-in duplicate deletion tool, but it does automatically group similar photos together, which can help you identify duplicates. To see if there are any, go to your Photos tab and scroll through your library. Look closely for any instances where the same photo appears more than once. Google Photos usually keeps only one version in the main feed, but if you uploaded similar images multiple times, you might see them grouped together in a duplicate section or under similar options. So what you need to do is, once you spot a duplicate, tap and hold to select the photos you want to delete, then click the trash can icon at the top of the screen, and it's that easy. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can quickly get rid of duplicate photos in Google Photos and keep your library organized.